Precision ag startup Sentera launched an early access program to preview its Aerial WeedScout product, and the company says this program will not only provide valuable feedback for the product, but also build some momentum for its 2025 commercial release. Now, select input companies, equipment providers, retailers, and farmers will be able to test Aerial WeedScout through this program. It's a selective herbicide application service that aims to lower the total use of herbicides for farmers by up to 70%. It uses aerial imaging from a drone and artificial intelligence to detect weeds and ultimately create prescriptions within 24 hours that can be executed through any precision sprayer.
We're fortunate at Sentera. We've got a fantastic machine learning data science group, but we are also one of the largest producers of sensors. We actually design and build them in the United States, right here, multispectral sensors and very high resolution imagers. So what we're doing is we're capturing at more than 80 acres per hour of flight. We're capturing 1.5 millimeter imagery of that field. So every pixel is 1.5 millimeters. So to see a 6 millimeter weed, which is 1/4 inch, you got to have more than 1 pixel of green to see it. So this in itself is really phenomenal. We have a direct georeferencing technology that won't bore the audience with that here, but basically what it allows us to do is just dramatically increase the rate of coverage, where we can go and map a whole field, and on a hour by hour basis, we can stay ahead of that sprayer.
Now, Shane Thomas did an in-depth breakdown of the technology in his Upstream Ag Insights newsletter. He says Aerial WeedScout will generate interest from customers because it addresses some of those shortcomings of other precision sprayers like pricing, speed, and uncertainty of herbicide volumes needed. But it also might face an uphill battle because of the 24-hour delay between sensing and action. Check out this table Thomas put together comparing the other commercially available precision spraying products, and you'll see Sentera there in the middle checking the sense and diagnose boxes, but not the action boxes. Now, the Aerial WeedScout Early Access Program will cover about 10,000 acres across states like Illinois, North Dakota, Minnesota, and South Dakota in 2024. In the Technology Corner, I'm Noah Newman.